going to talk about software quality assurance. But first, we're going to let you know what is quality assurance. Quality assurance are activities that are applied to methods in the process of making a product. If the quality assurance of the product is a good assurance, it's well done, this product will be stable, will be good, and will be fair. So this is very important for the making of a product. Now, the quality software assurance of the software quality assurance, it's an engineering discipline that applies this methodology in the whole process of making a software. This is very important because if we make a good software, if we make a good quality software assurance, we're gonna make things right. We're gonna make that the whole process of making the software will be safe, and the more important thing, we're gonna make trustable our product, and we're gonna make that this product will be fair, will be trustable. So the whole thing of the software quality assurance is that has a cycle. In this cycle, we're going to first know the customer's requirements, what the customer wants, what the customer needs, and how we're going to do it. Then comes the part of planning and negotiation, where we can plan how we're going to design the software and how much will be working. Then we're going to make the testing part, where we're going to make specific tests to our software, and we're going to make single tests to check that everything runs properly. After the final test, we're going to make the delivery part. When we deliver the software, we then make capacitations to all the personnel that will be running the software, and after that comes the support part. The principal objective of assurance, of software quality assurance, is that we're gonna first plan everything to make our software run properly. Then we're gonna make tests to that, and after we make the specific tests to the software, we're gonna deliver these tests to the customer to let them know that the software is run properly.
About software quality assurance. So first, we need to know how this works and what this is. Well, quality assurance of software, it's a team of work. This team of work needs to control and verify all the activities that are involved into the project of software or development of software. So this group needs to be dependent and independent at the same time. So for what? Because quality assurance has some activity that needs the participation of every team, but has other activity that needs the participation of only a specific person of this team. So this is why it needs to be independent and dependent. So, well, continue with this thing, we need to know what are the bases of software quality assurance. Where the software quality assurance has 4 bases, and the bases are test planning, test design, test execution, and test summary. So first, test planning. This concerns to all people that are going to execute all the tests. These people need to know the client requirement or client desires about the software to do the best product for their needs or ideas. set of checks in a formal way to verify all the designs that are more adaptable with this software. So these checks is a kind of checklist where the designers verify the different concepts and styles that this program needs for the requirement of the client. So third, the test execution. In this part, all the testers test the software and they try to find some bug or error in the code. So when they found an error or bug, there needs to know who people or who is the responsible of this code to make a new code and compile other software or make a new program for this client. So finally we have the test summary. Test summary is a test summary report where we describe all the activities that was realized in this project or in this software, and we specify all the checks, all the bugs, all the corrections, and all kinds of this. So basically, the advantage of the software quality assurance are reduced costs in software development, reduce time, increase productivity, and increase compatibility of the client or company or entity.